Chapter 9. Temperate Grasslands. Learning Objectives. Location of temperate grasslands, climatic conditions, vegetation and wildlife. Human population. Let's begin. Look, Meena, the grass in our backyard has grown so much, it has almost covered the path as well. Yes, it looks like a grassland. Grasslands. Where in the world are the grasslands? Is India a grassland? No, India is not a grassland. Grasslands are found in some other parts of Asia, Europe, North and South America. Grasslands are the largest green pastures found on the earth. Many of these grasslands have now been converted into farmlands. But before this, these grasslands were home to many wild animals that lived in the lush green grass. Location. The temperate grasslands are located in the temperate zones of both the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere, touching the equator. These lie roughly between 40 degrees N and 55 degrees N in the northern hemisphere and 40 degrees S and 55 degrees S in the southern hemisphere. The grasslands cover a large part of the earth, approximately 20% of the total land area. They are known by various names in the different parts of the world. Country names: South Africa, Velds; Hungary, Pusta; Argentina, Pampas; Eurasia, steppes; Australia, downs; North America, prairies. Climate. There is a huge difference in the temperature of the grasslands in summers and winters. In summers, the temperature in this region can rise up to 38 degrees C. In winters, the temperature may drop well below 0 degrees. The snowfall in the winter season helps the grasslands to retain moisture of the soil. The temperate grasslands experience moderate rainfall, between 25 and 30 inches during the late spring and early summer. Think up. What happens when the temperature drops below 0 degrees Celsius in a place? Vegetation. The temperate grasslands can be divided into tall grass areas and long grass areas. Some grasslands receive more rainfall than the others. Therefore, the length and density of the grass also differ. Grasslands are also able to survive long periods of time without any rainfall. This is because grass has the ability to absorb moisture from the soil and is very adaptive to the climate. The soil here is rich in nutrition and hence has different types of vegetation growing here. Many types of grasses, such as the blue grama grass, buffalo grass, Johnson grass, gallets, etc., are dominant in the grasslands. Flowers like asters, blazing stars, coneflower, goldenrod, cloves, wild indigos, etc., are also found in these regions. Wildlife. A large variety of grazing animals are also found in these regions. Animals and birds like bison, gazelle, zebra, rhinoceros, wild horse, lion, wolf, prairie dogs, aardvark, kangaroos, tapir, rabbits, deer, mice, fox, skunk, blackbirds, etc., are the inhabitants of these grasslands. Fact frame. Aardvark is a large mammal. It feeds on ants. Human population. The rich and fertile soil found in the grasslands is very suitable for rearing domesticated animals to get milk and meat for human beings. In fact, the prairies have been the largest food bowls of the world due to their bumper production of wheat, barley, oats, and corn. Individual agricultural farms are spread across hundreds of acres. Farming methods here are completely mechanized and are carried out in an extensive manner. Livestock rearing is another commercial activity which is carried out on a large scale. The surplus fodder, in the form of grass and stalks of wheat and other fodder, make it very convenient for the farmers to raise animals. The cowboys on horsebacks, grazing their cattle, are a common sight in the grasslands. In South America, the cowboys are called gauchos, and the farms are called estancias. Industries. Some parts of the prairies, the pampas and the veldt, are rich in mineral resources. Lignite, a coal variety, and mineral oil are mined in large quantities here. Ore extracting factories and oil refineries have also been set up. The most important industry in the grasslands is the meat packing industry. In South Africa, gold and diamond mines are famous in the veldt regions. Recall: grasslands are the lands covered with grass and are known by different names in different countries. These areas receive moderate rainfall. There is a variety of vegetation and wildlife found in these regions. These are very fertile